Hello, Jai Gurudev. I want to share with you about myself. When I was a child, I was not very confident. I used to get very scared. I was not doing very well in my studies. So my parents took a lot of trouble in making me what I am today. So there are five things which my parents really focused on me. Do you want to know what that was? Number one, discipline. My father made sure that I was very disciplined. Every day he would go for a walk and he would take me for running in the morning. And that happened for many years. That even means for my father to wake up every day and be consistent with me. So that taught me discipline. It taught me consistency. They made sure that I was very consistent in whatever I do. And that's how I started improving day by day, strength wise, every way. I saw the benefit of discipline. Number three, role model. My grandfather, when I used to go to his place during summer vacation, he once or twice took me to Mother Teresa's home, and that's where I saw Mother Teresa doing social work. That sowed the seed of social work in me, how to help other people and how to do seva. It also taught me how to value my parents because I saw so many children who are not as fortunate as I am. So that was what I learned. Number four, food. I used to fuss a lot about my food. I used to not like to eat whatever was given to me. So my parents made sure I either that eat that food or I don't eat that food. So that made me appreciate all fruits and vegetables, and that's how I started becoming healthy. Last, when I grew older, they made me travel by train, local train, Mumbai local train. So in that, I learned a lot of survival instinct. People who are from Mumbai, they will know how it is to travel by Mumbai train. You learn punctuality because you have to be there on time for the train. And to book your seat, you have to jump in and book your seat. You need to network with other people and book seats for yourself. And then you learn a lot of friendship, socializing, whole lot of things, and your survival instinct just goes leaps and bounds. So all these things are little tips which every parent should do with their children. And stay in touch, stay connected to know more tips from me and from others.